Hello guys, how are you doing today? I trust your day is amazing. Okay, so today I'll be sharing with you an amazing exercise on ma, me, me, mo, mu. Ma, me, me, mo, mu. This is an amazing exercise. You're gonna love it. But today we'll be trying it with panting. For those of us who don't know what panting is all about, imagine yourself just returning from jogging. You've jogged long kilometers or you skipped, that gasping for breath, like that fear. So we're merging it with the ma, me, me, mo, mo. That is this exercise. So join me on this exercise. Let me know what you think about this exercise in the comment section. All right, so let's go. Ma ha 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 me he 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 mo ho 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 mu. Ma ha 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 me he 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 mo ho 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 mu. Ma me mi mo mu. You try it again. Ma ha 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 me he 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 mo ho 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 mu. Ma ha 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 me he 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 mo ho 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 mu. Ma me mo mu. This is an amazing exercise. Tell me how you feel about this exercise in the comment section. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.